Okay, today we want to remove the background from our image. So we're going to use PowerPoint to do that. And we're going to click on, it might be a search bar or it might be a magnifying glass. And I'm going to type in PowerPoint. And once you see PowerPoint, you can click on the app. The app will open up. Once the app opens up, you're going to want to create a blank presentation. And you can either click New or Blank Presentation. And here we are. So the next step is we're going to want to click on the Insert button and then Pictures. Now, you want to find where you saved your picture. It's probably in the Picture folder, and it might be in the camera roll, or it might be in Saved Pictures. I'm going to click on the image I want to remove the background for. And here we go. Now I can close this if this pops up. This is the design ideas. All I want to use the program for today is to remove the background. I'm going to click the Remove Background button on the top corner. And you can see that it does a lot of the work for you already, but it's not completely accurate. So now we have these two buttons. This is Mark Areas to Keep and Mark Areas to Remove. So I'll start with the Keep. And I can kind of just click and drag and then let go. And it starts to find similar areas that it thinks that you want to keep. Okay. It added an area I don't want. I'll take care of that later. You can also, well, just outlining this works pretty well. You might make, again, some changes that you don't want. You can kind of circle areas also. Again, it's really just finding similar parts of your image. Okay, it looks pretty good along this side here. Checking all around. There's something right here. I want to get rid of that. So the areas I want to remove, I'm going to click Mark Areas to Remove. I'll start with this area here, and that did a pretty good job. There's a little piece right there. You notice it, for some reason, added it right there, so I have to fix that again. Okay, so I look around the edge again, and it looks pretty good. I'm just going to click on that once, and it actually worked. So again, it's inspecting the edge, making sure all the area on the inside, everything looks fine. And so now I'm ready to keep changes. And again, inspect it one more time, see if there's anything missing, see if, like, make sure your ears are there and all those essential parts that you want to keep. Now this is ready. I just have to save it. And so I'm going to right click and click Save Picture As. You probably want to save it to the same place as your other image. So I'm going to click Save Pictures. Again, you might click Camera Roll or another location. Double click and then click Save. But before I click Save, let's rename this Self-Portrait. Then I'll know what this is, what I'm looking for. Also notice that the Save as type, it's a PNG. Very often PNG files have transparent backgrounds. Not all the time, but very often. Next thing, I want to turn this into Google Classroom. And so you can go to Google Classroom, go to Classwork, go to the assignment. In this case, it's self-portrait background removal. We might use the same technique for another assignment. So whatever assignment that you need this for, you'd go there. And then you can go to the place where it says to add or create, and you're going to upload your image to that location. Okay, I wish you luck. Have fun, and I will keep check on your progress and answer any questions that you may have.